Thutha wa muthako wa kwihithanira gatagati ka gavana wa Nairobi Mike Mbuvi Sonko na gikundi kimwe kia MCAs muthia gavana uyu ni ikirio nja thutha wa MCAs 88 gatagati ka MCAs 122 kunyita mbaru mutaratara wa kumuhagura.
The nays 2, abstention nil. The net effect of these results is that the motion has been carried, and therefore the Assembly has resolved to remove His Excellency the Governor Mike Mbuvi Sonko from office by 2/3 of the members.
Miaraho ya umuthi MCAs 58 nio mauma bunge-ini no mutaratara uyu gitemanio na MCAs 30 maikia kura cio kuhitukira mitambo ya kiriu.
Ile anaelewa sana ni kuokota pesa na kufanya sarakasi. You know that this county is going wrong. And the only choice is a fact that one Mike Mbuvi Sonko must remain in Kwale. This is somebody who needs to be impeached.
Maya magiuka ona thutha wa Sonko gukua kiheri kia MCAs na kumatwara kaunti-ini ya Kwale niguo na mbere kwendekanaga ndigakinye no maya mothe mamugaruruka na muthia ikio nja.
This house has no any other option but to execute the last resort of impeachment.
Hau gabere ni kuma na matata kuma kuri amwe aria mekureganaga na mutaratara wa kuhagurwo gwa Sonko na aria mauma nake mwena wa Kwale makiuga makorire mekiritwo mitambo-ini ya gwikiria kura mutaratara uyu ona thenge ate thimu cio ciumahorie.
Somebody has logged in my name. I am not there. I'm not for the impeachment of the governor. So that is fraud. Whoever's used my name, it is fraud.
To say the truth is, I'm in Mombasa. I've not logged in, and whoever's logged in with my name, that is fraud, and I'm not ready to impeach the governor of Nairobi. This year should take investigation.
Una thutha wa kuhagurwo ni bunge ya kaunti ya Nairobi, Sonko ari una mweke wa gwetetera mbere ya bunge ya Senate, no muhaka itua ria mbere tu ria kana cira wake guthikiririo ni kamiti ya senators 11 toria kuhanikire hindi ya guthikiriria cira wa kuhagurwo kwa gavana wa Kirinyaga Ann Mumbi kana cira wake ukuya mwerekera wa guthikirio ni senators mariothe toria kuhanikire hindi ya kuhagura uria wari gavana wa Kiambu Ferdinand Waititu. Agikorwo Sonko ndakahota kwerisha moko-ini ma senators, kaunti ya Nairobi kuhota watho ngomana gukiririkanwo ati kaunti no ndiri na munini wa gavana na speaker wa bunge no aginyitira giturwa kia ugavana kwa ihinda ria thiku 90 tu. Mutaratara wa kuhagura Sonko watamanirio ni mutongoria wa aria nini bunge-ini ya Nairobi Michael Gada akiuga Sonko ndakoretwo na wigiririki ni akoretwo akihuthira wabici uru na oho no retereirio njara ni kwaga gwikira kirore budget ya ciringi bilioni 37 kuria ruhonge rwa NMS rubatie kwamukira ciringi bilioni 27 cia gutwarithia na mbere maundu mothi wa na mbere kaunti-ini ino. Agikorwo ndakahonokio ni senators, Sonko agakorwo ari gavana wa keri kuinuka thutha woria wari gavana wa Kiambu Ferdinand Waititu noria wahagurirwo mweri-ini wa Januari mwaka uyu. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Nũngari wa Kamau.